Hi, in this video we will do the incidents by month and location chart. This is part of a series. I recommend you to check the introduction and the video where we create the select, where we do all the transformations for the data we're going to be using. You can watch the other charts if you want. So we are going to start by creating a new card after the select, so we have it closed, and select group by. What we are going to do here is just count how many incidents there are by month and by location. So I'm going to start by dragging the month, incident month, and drop it in the select value and select count. This will say 50 because there are 50 incident reports, but we want to group them by and count them by incident month and location. So we can do it in two ways. We can either drag the incident month and drop it in the group by, or we can again drag it from the select. So now we are counting incidents by month. We can see that July was the highest here, and we are going to drag the location from the select and drop it in the group by key. So now we are grouping by incident month and location. I'm going to sort by incident month, so it looks sorted in the chart. And after it, I'm going to create a new card. I'm going to select the chart, and let's give it a title to this card by control double clicking. So it gives a default title. I'm going to drag incident month count and drop it in chart value, and drag incident month to the by key and location to by key. So it will by default select a stock bar chart, which is the one we want, and let's give it a title. I'm going to copy it from the resulting dashboard so it's faster, and paste it in the title. So now we have our stack bar chart with reports by location by month, and you can watch the other ones in the series to learn how to do all the other charts. Bye.